Hello everyone, my name is Steve Rail. I'll be your instructor. Welcome to Valencia College Online. Valencia College uses Canvas for online class delivery. The menus are intuitive and user-friendly. For those of you who are new to the online learning format, I suggest that you take advantage of all the tutorials that are available to you. Now please read your syllabus carefully. Note that you will be graded on 3 tests, discussion postings, and chapter summaries. You must read and study to earn a decent grade. The test questions are representative of the chapter material and discussions. Looking up answers while taking the open book test will not work very well. The questions are fair and have been designed to measure comprehension and understanding. Independent study is necessary. Please get the most from this learning opportunity. There will be no required in-seat time for this class. This course is entirely online. Please access the course when it is posted, read the announcements and syllabus, get your book, and get started. Have some fun in this class. Trust me, you will learn quite a lot in here. In addition, you may find that there are some things you previously thought true or false, and in fact are quite the opposite. This is education. Again, thanks for coming to class.